leadoff bowler Jaret Bradley. He is a solid senior that has bowled on varsity for 2 years now. He enjoys bowling with his friends. He will be attending state along with the other 4 bowlers on varsity. Since he is a senior, any bowling done after this will be in the adult ranks. Second bowler is Oliver ONeill. Oliver is one of 2 sophomores on the team and has really started bowling well this season. He carries around a 185 average and doesn't disappoint. He has a much lower speed than all the other players, but it definitely doesn't hinder him in scores. In his free time, he enjoys playing video games and spending time with friends. Middle man is Andrew Dedmon. Andrew is the second senior on the team and gets his ball down there in a hurry. He carries the second highest average on the team, which happened to be the second highest in the local high school program. He enjoys practicing bowling and working at his job. Andrew hopes he continues bowling throughout his adult years. Setup bowler is Mortimore. He is the only junior on the team. He has been bowling very well lately, averaging around 190. He is set up because of his high chance of striking or sparing when the pressure is on. Graham also plays tennis at Kickapoo High on the tennis team. The anchor is Spencer Robarge. Spencer this year carried a 233 plus average, which is one of his lowest in the last 3 years, and he is only a sophomore. He is the only youth in our area of high school bowlers with national titles, having 8 of them. He aspires to bowl on the PBA Tour someday.